Mamaearth BhringAmla Shampoo is best shampoo for hair care and hair growth. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. With the goodness of Ayurvedic herbs and natural oils, BhringAmla Shampoo effectively works to repair hair damage. Amla and Bhringraj make the hair healthier and stronger from root to tip. Mamaearth BhringAmla Shampoo is enriched with the goodness of pure Bhringraj and Amla. This shampoo is dermatologically tested and is suitable for all hair types. Mamaearth BhringAmla Shampoo is best shampoo for hair care and hair growth. When you have a hair care recipe that's 4000 years old, you can expect exceptional results. The oils present in the shampoo penetrate deep within the roots and stimulate the hair follicles, leading to increased hair growth. The time-tested Ayurvedic ingredients present in the shampoo ensure that the scalp is cleansed thoroughly and the roots are strengthened, leading to reduced dandruff. Made using natural ingredients, the shampoo is free from sulfates, parabens, SLS, petroleum, artificial preservatives and colors. Mamaearth BhringAmla Shampoo comes with Amla, Bhringraj, and Chikkai. Amla, a powerhouse of vitamin C, antioxidants, tannins, and phytonutrients, Amla strengthens hair from the roots, prevents gray hair, softens hair strands, and improves scalp health. It also enhances hair growth and increases the length and strength. Bhringraj, the king of herbs, Bhringraj is one of nature's best gifts used since time immemorial in Ayurveda for improving hair health. It enhances blood circulation, promotes hair growth, treats dandruff and dry scalp, and prevents hair fall. Since it is also deeply moisturizing, it works as a natural conditioner for your tresses. Chikkai, an age-old hair care ingredient that is loaded with vitamins and the goodness of nature. It promotes hair growth, nourishes hair, and prevents free radical damage. Paraben and silicone-free. Mamaearth products are completely free of parabens and silicones that may cause hormonal changes in the body. With bioactives. Mamaearth BhringAmla Shampoo is enriched with the goodness of pure Bhringraj and Amla. Dermatologically tested. All Mamaearth products go through strict testing to ensure they are absolutely safe for use. Mamaearth BhringAmla Shampoo is best shampoo for hair care and hair growth. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.